Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long term bearish market. Now with this monthly impulse previous months, we have seen that after triggering all time high, gold triggered huge liquidity and then created this long week candle. Now this is the monthly long week candle that has engulfed the previous monthly candle completely in both up and down and closed past the previous monthly candle completely, and also there is a long wick at the bottom. Now as a result, this month once the market opened, we have seen that initial pullback to the upside, which is healthy in a trending market, and from that zone we have seen that gold has a strong rejection, and currently the price below this previous monthly low. And what I think that we could see gold is dropping down. As we see, there is no other support here to have a bounce. We might see gold coming down to this long-term monthly support level from bigger picture perspective. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that a bit more clearer picture, and the market is following exactly the proper structure, and we saw that there is a liquidity gap on the weekly drop with this long week doji, and there was a massive drop again, has broken this long term channel here on gold, and the price tested this important level of support, this liquidity candle, which is the long week candle, this support as a resistance with this doji, and later we saw that multiple time the price tested. In the second test we saw lower high and followed by another long week candle previous week, which is also a doji, created a lower high with this previous week. Now as a result, this week what we saw that gold, as soon as market open, immediately after little pullback started to drop, and we saw there is no significant effort from the buyers. That's the sign that gold is prepared for a bigger move to the downside. Now as you can see, the price currently below all this support level, and we can expect now gold to continue to drop in this direction. And what I think that longer term perspective, we might see that gold is coming to test this imbalance in that area. Now if we look at daily, what we see that daily perspective, we see that there was a manipulation on both sides, both in upside and also in the downside. We have seen gold had initially broken this daily support, and after grabbing liquidity, the price has gone up and created this long week doji, and then again the price has dropped back. Now we saw that in that area there is a strong selling opportunity along the zone with this doji, and after grabbing liquidity multiple times from both sides, we have seen there is a long week also middleman, followed by previous day a doji. Now this doji, in fact, a retest of this broken support as a resistance, and from that level we saw that now the price today, once the market opened, the price started to drop. The bulls even couldn't break this daily high, so we could see that gold may continue to drop. And what I think that we might see that gold is breaking this previous daily low and even creating a new lower low. So this is where we can expect today gold to drop, and longer term we might see gold is trending to the downside. And I think that long term perspective, we can at least expect gold to come back to this previous smart money area, where this is the previous resistance, which is turning support here. Now, looking at further lower time frame from 4 hour perspective, we see that gold is also maintaining typical bearish market structure, and we saw after this liquidity grab, the price trending, creating series of lower high and lower low, and this is what exactly expected in our previous weekly forex forecast and in all our analysis. Now this current session's candle, we saw that after this previous session's bearish candle, also we see that significant drop have happened. Now looking at the 1 hour chart to see how the price action is evolving. And we see that from the 1 hour perspective, there is a clean double top formation below this important level, and we saw that there is a long consolidation created this important level of long-term support here, which tested here as a resistance with this 1 hour long week candle, and we saw double top, pardon me, and created a double top with a lower high in that area. And the price already rejected multiple times, means that we can expect now gold to come back down in this direction, at least to this level in the first move, and then highly likely we could see even break of this level. This is where we are running a trade. We will be waiting for one more entry. As soon as we will find suitable entry on the lower time frame, again we will consider going short on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below to help this idea to be visible to more people. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.